Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download your CSR 2 game on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your Google Play Store or the iOS App Store depending on your device and simply tap on the search box and search for CSR Racing 2. Once you find the game, you can simply tap on it and you will find the install button. If you haven't installed the game before, simply tap on install and wait for the game to install, as it is quite a big one. After waiting for quite some time, the game will fully be installed and you will see the play button. By this point, you can simply tap on play and this will open up the game, which you can start enjoying by logging into your account or signing up. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the CSR 2 game on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.